okuja Ministry eby'amagara endwara Ebola hati yakwasira abantu 129.
This morning I haven't got the statistics, but we have 129 cases, of which 47 have improved and about 52 are on admission in the various admission facilities, Entebbe, Mubende, isolation facilities. Of course, surveillance still continues. We have challenges still in Kasanda as they try as much as possible to put things together for a better and smooth response, which we do hope to see in the next 1 to 2 weeks. All the partners are there giving a hand so that we can have an ETU, intensify risk communication, ensure the schools are safe, and the leaders in Kasanda participate to talk to their communities. So there is progress, especially in Mubende, where we see numbers coming down, and we do hope that to maintain that trend, but it is too early to call. So for now, the situation stands.
Minister Dr. General Ageihangwe binebindi abenakwasibwa ebintu ebirayonjere kwera abejina munonga abo abariyo nabamarira ebizamu byabo nabo kutekateka kubitandika ebitebekanisiibwa UNEB.
And as you're all aware, our learners currently are doing exams. The primary 7s are starting exams on Tuesday next week. So they are all in preparation. And therefore there is need to come together and provide a safe environment for them to finish their exams comfortably. The senior 4s started on the day that His Excellency announced restricted movements in Mubende, and their exams are still ongoing, as well as senior 6s. So I really want to appreciate that support towards the schools, especially as UNICEF focuses a lot on children. It just comes to say that you are in this together with Uganda to ensure that the environment becomes safer and we bring an end to all these challenges that we are facing.
Emmanuel Aineviona omugambuzi wa Minisitiri y'Amagara nagirango district mushanzo zirimo burwire bw'Ebola hati omuchegegwa batunje omuntu wa kabiri.
Chegegwa yemu ku districts zirimo ekirwadde kya Ebola naye abadde wayise webbanga dene ngate tufunyeyo case ya Ebola mu Chegegwa wanga yemu ku districts 7 zirina zakabeeramu abantu abalina ekirwadde kya Ebola naye waliwo enaku 2 emabega case endala yazuulibwa mu district ya Chegegwa. So tuli mu system yaffe already weeri, so tulowooza nti bajja kulaba nti contacts bono babagoberera kubanga Chegegwa badde nga almost to interrupting the transmission.
Ministry y'Amagara neshaba buri omwe okugumizamu berinzire endwara y'Ebola. Abo TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon.